Welcome back to Phenomenal Tips with Alex Watson. We're continuing our real estate quarantine series. We're going to be going over a couple of more questions that will discuss some concepts that you will see on your Texas real estate exam. So, Joe Exotic hired someone to kill Carol Baskin. How would you describe this agreement? So this is considered a void agreement. Any license to kill type of contract is illegal, and therefore it's void, it's not enforceable at all. Buyer Bob signs a purchase sale agreement for a 3-bed by 2-bath property. When Bob views this property in person, he actually notices that the property has a hidden room and it's really a 4-bed by 2-bath property. How would you describe the purchase sale agreement? In this case, it's voidable because buyer Bob was expecting a 3-bed by 2-bathroom property, but hey, turns out he actually has an extra bedroom that he wasn't anticipating or expecting. And if he so chooses to accept this property, it would now become a ratified contract and he can accept the property as is. And how would you describe an open listing agreement? So this would be considered a unilateral contract simply because the offerer is making a promise that maybe, for example, around the property you may see lost dog, $500 reward. So individuals all around the community have the opportunity to go look for this dog, and if they find it, the person who offers this reward has to provide you with that money. But anyone driving by that sign doesn't necessarily have to fulfill that obligation, but they can if they so choose. Thanks for stopping by for some more phenomenal tips.